Welcome to another session of Let's Learn German. Pause wherever necessary and jot down the notes you need to study. Ich muss zum Arzt gehen. I have to go to the doctor. Gehen means to go in German. It's the infinitive form like to go in English, used after modal verbs like muss, which means must. Ich gehe nach Haus. I'm going home. Du gehst zur Schule. You are going to school or you go to school. Tom, gehe zum Arzt, bitte. Tom, go to the doctor, please. Gehe is the command form of gehen, to go, for do, which is you in the informal case. Use it when telling someone directly what to do. Geh means go. Geh nach Haus, go home. Tom, geh zum Arzt, bitte. Tom, go to the doctor, please. In German, zum is a contraction of zu plus dem, meaning to the. You use it before masculine or neuter nouns in the dative case like Arzt here. Ich gehe zum Arzt. I'm going to the doctor. Wir fahren zum Bahnhof. We are going to the train station. Angela, iss heute keine Pizza. Is the informal command for essen, to eat. It's used to tell someone like Angela, for instance, directly. Eat. Iss den Apfel. Eat the apple. Iss dein Brot. Eat your bread. Angela, iss heute keine Pizza. Heute means today in German. It's an adverb that tells you when something happens. Ich gehe heute. I'm going today. Heute ist Montag. Today is Monday. Ich bin krank. Hast du eine Tablette? I am sick. Do you have a tablet or pill? Krank means sick or ill in English. It's an adjective used to describe how someone feels. Ich bin krank. Fühlt sich krank. He feels sick. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen means headaches in English. It's a plural noun made up of Kopf, head, plus Schmerzen means pain. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen sind schlimm. Headaches are awful. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please don't forget to subscribe and also tap the notification icon so that you get updated about the new sessions I do in German or French. Thank you.